Welcome everyone. To use widgets in the iOS on the iPhone, start by going to your home screen and long press on the empty space of your home screen. When you see the edit mode and the icons are jiggling, you should see the plus here. If you don't, you will need to update your iOS software. So if we see the plus, let's tap on the plus, and from here you can see all of the widgets. So let's say, I want to have an App Store widget. I'll tap on this, and you can swipe across to change the size of the widget. Once the widget is added, you can't change the size, so make sure you have what you need. And once you're happy, select Add Widget. Now, some widgets you can edit after they've been added. So long press on the widget on your home screen, and if the widget supports it, it will say Edit Widget. For example, if you use the popular app Widgetsmith, you can edit the photos on the home screen, for example. And if you long press here, you can also remove the widget. If you wanted to change the widget size, you would have to remove the widget and then re-add it in the smaller size. You can also see that you can add multiple widgets in one, like I have done here. So first step, add multiple widgets to your home screen, which are the same size. So I've done one, we'll do two. And when you're in the edit mode, drag and drop one widget inside of the other. And if you tap on it, you can see we have the stack. You can remove a widget from the stack. You can have the widgets rotate smartly, which means just throughout the day, etc. And you can also have suggestions for what widgets to add. Turn these all on or off. Then tap on Done. With that being said, if you'd like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.